Hello friends, hope you are good. This is our lecture number 41 of unit number 5, that is design of engine component. So let's solve few numericals on piston design. So here is the first numerical. We have to find the thickness of piston head for a single acting 4-stroke engine. For this we have following data. The cylinder bore equal to 100 mm, that is capital D equal to 100 mm. Then we have stroke equal to 125 mm. Then we have gas pressure equal to 5 Newton per mm square. We have indicated mean effective pressure of 0.75 Newton per mm square. We have mechanical efficiency of 80%. Also the fuel consumption is 0.15 kg per brake power per hour. Okay, and the higher calorific value, that is HCV, equal to 42 into 10 to the power 3 kilojoule per kg, and the speed is 2000 rpm. Okay, so here is the another data. If you require any other data, we have to assume. Okay, so here is the solution. We have capital D 100 mm, L, that is stroke is 125 mm. We have to convert it into meter. Why meter? I will tell you in next steps. Okay, then convert into meter 0.125. Then small p is 5 Newton per mm square. Then mean effective pressure, that is P mean, equal to 0.75 Newton per mm square. Also we have mechanical efficiency equal to 80%, that is 0.8. Also the fuel consumption, that is M equal to 0.15 kg per Bp per hour. Okay, so we have to convert this into kg per Bp per second. Okay, for converting you have to divide it by 60. Okay, so 0.15 divided by 60, you will get 41.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 kg per Bp per second. Okay, and the HCV is 42 into 10 to the power 3 kilojoule per kg. And finally N equal to 2000 rpm. So here is the very important note for you. So we already discussed in your previous lecture. The thickness of the piston head or crown is determined on the basis of strength as well as on the basis of heat dissipation. Okay, and the larger of two values are to be adopted for the safe design. So let's solve this numerical. We know that the thickness of piston head on the basis of strength criteria is TH equal to D in bracket 3 P max divided by 16 sigma B, where cylinder bore is capital D, P max is maximum gas pressure, and sigma B is the permissible bending stress. Okay, so assume sigma B is equal to 38 MPa or 38 Newton per mm square for cast iron. We have to assume it. Okay, you can also take the 35 or you can also take 40 MPa. Okay, both are correct for cast iron. It is the range in between 35 or 40 MPa. Both are correct. Okay, so everyone's answer is correct if you consider the 35 or if you consider 48 or 40. Okay, whatever it may be, but here we assume sigma B is 38 MPa for cast iron. Okay, now put the value in this equation. We have capital D is equal to 100 mm and P max is equal to 5, then sigma B is 38. So by putting all this value and finding out this numerical in your calculators, you will get 15.7 mm. Oh, or you can approximately take it as a 16 mm. Okay, so here is your first answer. Thickness of piston head is 16 mm on the basis of strength criteria. Okay, on the basis of strength criteria. Okay. So now, since the engine is 4-stroke engine, therefore the number of working stroke per minute is n equal to capital N divided by 2, which is equal to 2000 divided by 2 is 100. And the cross sectional area of the cylinder is pi by 4 d square. Put the value of d, that is 100, and you will get area equal to 7855 millimeter square. Then we also know that the indicated power PM LAN divided by 60 equal to 12.270 watt. Okay, how will we get this? By putting the value of PM, L, area, small n, okay, divided by 60. So you will get this answer. Convert this into kilowatt. So you will get 12.27 kilowatt. Okay, why I am doing this calculation of IP or A or N? Okay, why? Because of we have to find out the thickness of piston on the basis of heat criteria. Okay, I will show you in your next slide. So here is your brake power. How you can calculate your brake power? By taking the formula mechanical efficiency equal to brake power divided by indicated power. You know the indicated power, or rearrange this equation, you will get BP equal to IP into mechanical efficiency. Okay, put the value of IP, that is 12.27 into 0.8. Okay, you will get 9.8 kilowatt brake power. Okay, so also we know that the heat flowing through the piston head is H equal to C into higher calorific value into M into BP. Now put the all value over here, but you have to consider C equal to 0.05, HCV equal to 42 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, then we have mass flow consumption is 41.7 into 10 to the power minus 6, and the BP is 9.8. Now put these all values in your calculated and calculate. So you will get 0.86 kilowatt, which is equal to 860 watt. Okay, by taking C equal to 0.05. Then the thickness of the piston head on the basis of heat dissipation is HTH equal to capital H divided by 12.56 K in bracket TC minus TE. Okay, where H is the amount of heat conducted through the piston in watt. Okay, so here you will get this equation, H equal to 860 watt. Okay, so that's why we have already calculated this H. Then we have TE minus TC equal to 220 degrees Celsius for cast iron. Okay, and 75 for aluminum, but our piston is made up of cast iron, so we will get 220 degrees Celsius. Okay, now also thermal conductivity factor is 46.6 Weber per meter degree Celsius for cast iron. So now put the values of H, K and TC minus TE. So you will get H divided by 12.66 into 46.6 into 220. Okay, you will get 0.0067 meter. Okay, convert this into millimeter, so you will get 6.7 mm. Okay, so approximately you can take this as 7 mm. Okay, so on the basis of strength criteria you will get what we get 16, yeah, 16 or 17. Okay, 16 mm, and the basis of heat dissipation you will get 7 mm. So which is greater? 16 is the greater, so you have to take 16 mm for your safe design of piston head. Okay, so your final answer will be taking the larger value of two values, we shall adopt STH equal to 16 MB, and this is your final answer. Okay, are you getting this? It is so simple. I think it is clear to you. So for your better practice, let's have your homework. It is a similar numerical. You can solve it easily. You have to find out the shape thickness of piston head for a single acting 4-stroke engine. Okay, and you have following data: cylinder bore, stroke, maximum gas pressure, mean indicative effective pressure, mechanical efficiency, fuel consumption, and SCV and speed. Okay, so you have to find out this all values of piston head thickness on the basis of strain and on the basis of heat dissipation. You have to recommend the which one is the best suitable for your safe design. Okay, so solve this numerical and keep practicing. I will see you in the next lecture.